What if everything we thought we knew about Neanderthals was wrong? For too long, the word Neanderthal has been used as an insult, a way to call someone dumb or backwards. This does a huge disservice to a fascinating group of humans who lived in Eurasia for over 400,000 years. Neanderthals were not dim-witted cave dwellers. They were skilled survivors, adaptable to challenging environments and possessing intelligence that rivaled our own. Neanderthals belong to the genus just like us. Their full scientific name is, indicating they were a distinct species within our human lineage. They first appeared in Europe and parts of Asia around 400,000 years ago and thrived until their disappearance about 40,000 years ago. This long reign points to their resilience and successful adaptation to often harsh Ice Age conditions. Neanderthals were not our direct ancestors, but rather a sister species. We share a common ancestor, most likely, which lived in Africa and Europe hundreds of thousands of years ago. Understanding Neanderthals is not just about studying a distant branch of the human family tree, it's about gaining a clearer picture of ourselves. Neanderthals thrived in a period marked by dramatic climate fluctuations, including multiple glacial periods. Their bodies were well suited to the cold, with stocky builds, short limbs and broad noses that helped to warm and humidify cold, dry air. These physical adaptations allowed them to conserve heat and survive in environments that would have been impossible for earlier human species. Their strength and resilience were not limited to physical adaptations. Neanderthals were skilled hunters, capable of taking down large game like bison, deer, and even mammoths. They crafted sophisticated tools, including the Levallois technique for creating stone flakes with sharp edges, used for a variety of tasks from butchering animals to scraping hides. Neanderthals were not afraid of challenges, migrating across vast landscapes, adapting to changing food sources and surviving encounters with dangerous predators. Their ability to thrive for hundreds of thousands of years in such demanding conditions is a testament to their adaptability and ingenuity. The popular image of Neanderthals as brutish cavemen wielding clubs is a gross misrepresentation. While they were undoubtedly strong and capable hunters, their lives were far more complex than this simplistic portrayal suggests. Evidence suggests they lived in small, tight-knit groups, cared for their sick and injured, and possessed a deep understanding of their environment. Recent discoveries have revealed that Neanderthals were capable of symbolic thought and expression. Archaeologists have unearthed evidence of possible burial rituals, suggesting they may have had a concept of the afterlife. The discovery of ochre pigments used for body painting hints at a desire for personal adornment and possibly even symbolic communication. Neanderthals were also skilled toolmakers, crafting tools with specific purposes in mind. They used fire for warmth, cooking, and protection, and they likely had complex communication systems, although the exact nature of their language remains a mystery. All of this points to a level of cognitive sophistication far beyond the caveman stereotype. A different kind of clever, the Neanderthal mind. Neanderthal brains were actually slightly larger than those of modern humans on average. However, brain size alone doesn't tell the whole story of intelligence. Recent research suggests that the structure of Neanderthal brains differed from ours, potentially leading to different cognitive strengths and weaknesses. For example, Neanderthals may have had larger occipital lobes, which are responsible for visual processing. This could indicate a heightened sense of vision, crucial for navigating their environment and hunting. Conversely, their frontal lobes, associated with planning and abstract thought, were potentially less developed than ours. This doesn't mean Neanderthals were less intelligent, just wired differently. They were masters of their environment, skilled problem solvers, and capable of adapting to a wide range of challenges. Their cognitive abilities may have differed from ours, but they were undoubtedly successful in their own right. Echoes of ourselves, Neanderthal culture and community. The stereotype of Neanderthals as solitary brutes is far from the truth. Evidence suggests they lived in small groups, likely consisting of close relatives. This social structure would have been essential for survival in the challenging environments they inhabited. There is evidence that Neanderthals cared for their sick and injured. Fossilized remains show signs of healed injuries and illnesses, suggesting that individuals who would have been unable to survive on their own were cared for by the group. This points to a level of empathy and compassion that is often overlooked. Discoveries of pigments and decorative items, such as eagle talons and shells, suggest that Neanderthals may have had a sense of aesthetics and possibly even symbolic thought. The interpretation of these findings is still debated, but they offer a glimpse into the potential complexity of Neanderthal culture. A shared past, a complex legacy, Neanderthals and Us. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Neanderthals is their genetic connection to modern humans. Thanks to advancements in DNA analysis, we now know that Neanderthals and early interbred during periods of overlap in Eurasia. As a result of this interbreeding, most modern humans of non-African descent carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. This genetic legacy has implications for our understanding of human evolution, disease susceptibility, and even our adaptation to different environments. The story of Neanderthals is a powerful reminder that our past is more complex than we often realize. They were not simply primitive cavemen, but a sophisticated species with their own unique culture, skills, and intelligence. By continuing to study Neanderthals, we can gain a deeper understanding not only of their place in our shared history, but also of what it truly means to be human. What did you find most surprising about Neanderthals? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on human origins.